The StartX Remote Starter Kit allows you to conveniently add remote start functionality to your Dodge Ram diesel from 2009 to 2012 models. This kit is specifically designed for key ignition diesel vehicles, ensuring a seamless fit without compatibility issues for your Dodge Ram. With its plug-and-play installation, the kit includes a vehicle-specific T-harness that makes the setup process straightforward and eliminates the need for wire splicing. The remote start feature utilizes your existing factory remote, requiring you to simply press the lock button 3 times to start or stop your vehicle, which is both user-friendly and efficient. The system efficiently preheats or cools your vehicle, making it comfortable to enter regardless of external weather conditions, enhancing your overall driving experience. StartX provides excellent technical and customer support, ensuring any installation questions or issues are quickly addressed for a hassle-free experience.